Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming the source file's resolution and codec so you know what can be reduced without breaking playback. Next, pick a tool. Handbrake or FFmpeg are reliable because they expose bitrate, codec, and profile controls. Once selected, choose an output container like MP4 or MKV. Make sure your target device supports it. Then open the file, view current bitrate, and prepare to set a lower resolution or codec change for the first downscale step. Now you adjust the key parameters. Start by changing resolution. Move from 1080p to 720p or 480p depending on acceptable quality. Once done, reduce bitrate. For 720p, try 3 to 5 Mbps, and for 480p, 1 to 2 Mbps, because bitrate directly controls perceived sharpness. Also decide codec. HEVC shrinks files more but pick H.264 for broader playback. Finally, use a 2-pass encode for steadier quality. This trades time for a more consistent result. Export the file using your chosen profile and enable 2-pass encoding when available. This gives steadier quality for your set bitrate. Once export completes, test playback on the actual device or app you intend to use. Look for artifacts, blockiness, or audio drift. If you see stuttering or sync problems, increase bitrate slightly or switch back to H.264 for compatibility, then re-encode. One troubleshooting tip: if playback fails, try a different container, MP4 versus MKV, before changing video settings again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.